Welcome all. I am Anashura and today I got an interesting topic from media writing to discuss with you guys. So my topic is copywriting. So let's see what's copywriting. Actually copywriting is the use of words to promote a person, business, opinion or idea. This is what copywriting is. Actually copywriting let us to know what information that we need to. The person who write verbal messages are called copywriters. Those who are writing for an advertisement or for an institution or organization is called a copywriter. So once again I am saying you what is a copywriting. Copywriting is the use of words to promote a person, business, opinion or idea. This is what normal a copywriting is. And in the context of print journalism, if we are coming to print media, the copywriting is the copywriters are all the words both of the headline and body copy there in print medium. That means for a newspaper or for a magazine, the role of a copywriter is to write headlines, slogans, body copy, etc. So a copy has three major parts. They are a headline, body copy and slogan. We all know what headline is. Headline is the catchy, short and brief sentence that we can see at the top of every news to catch the attraction of readers. And the body copy. Under the headline, the most details regarding what the headline says is body copy. That means the detailed description. Then the next one is slogan. What slogan? Actually, slogan is a catchy sentence or a phrase which is easy to remember. That means it's a short sentence that we can remember at any time. That type of sentences are called slogan. So these are the major three components that a copy contains. The three components which comes in the terms of print journalism is headline, body copy and slogan. So if we are speaking about what's copywriting is, the major thing first we need to know is what's a copy. If we have to define copy, then only we can say about what's copywriting. So actually, a copy is a written content that aim to increase brand awareness and ultimately persuade a person or a group to take an action, a particular action. For that, a copy is preparing. Mainly, this copywriting is conducted for creating advertisements by public relation institutions or advertising agencies or some like that. So, what's their aim? For any copywriting, the major aim of a copywriter is to persuade a person or a group's attention to create their brand awareness. That means to persuade them, to influence them. If there is a product, if a product is there, we need to persuade a person to purchase that. There, the ability of a copywriter stands. So a copywriter helped to create billboard, brochures, catalogs, magazines, scripts for television and radio, and everything. In this every area, a major hand of a copywriter is lying. This is what the major jobs of a copywriter. Many copywriters are employed in marketing department. The major place where the copywriters are lying are marketing department, ad agencies, public relations firms, copywriting agencies. There are existing copywriting agencies where we can approach for the copywriters for a better copy, for a better copy or for a better material we can approach them. So for that these institutions are lying. For everything, if we need to create a television ad, if we need to create a print journalism ad or print ad, or if we need to create a radio ad, everywhere we need a copywriter. So it's the duty of a copywriter to create or to research about the information regarding a particular product or particular thing, and then he need to prepare a copy. According to this copy, the product's value or the quality is determined, because it's the duty of the copywriter to persuade through his writings and through his verbal message to influence people to purchase particular thing. This is what a copywriter need to do. The next thing we need to know is some guidelines that the copywriter must follow. What are the things he has to keep in mind while preparing a copy? First and major thing is know your audience. So the main thing that a copywriter needs to keep in his mind is know your audience. If he or she must know about the nature or character of the audience, then only he or she can prepare a copy according to that. If an audience who is needed to have a good product of good baby products, so the copywriter need to provide the copy according to their wish or like their need, not according to the company's base. First he need to know the audience, like that which type of things are needed by the audience, what type of products they are needed, that type of thing the copywriter must know. So first thing is to know your audience. This is the major guideline or the thing when a copy is preparing, the copywriter has to keep in his mind. And the second thing is like be persuasive. So while we are preparing a copy, that means an ad copy or a print copy or anything, that means if you are creating a copywriting, be persuasive while creating that copy. By reading that copy by the audience or by the customers, he or she want to buy it or to purchase it. To make them to buy that product or service is the success of a copywriter. That means he must be persuasive. His writings must be pursued by the others. Others need to attract. That's the thing of be persuasive. And the next thing is have a good sound structure. Must have a structure. While writing a copy, he must keep some structure in his mind. Next one is like hit on emotions, needs, and desires. These are very, very important. While preparing a copy, he or she must to know like that. According to the audience point, he must know their emotions. Next is their need and their desire. On the basis of these three factors, he has to prepare a copy. Otherwise, if he is preparing a copy on his needs or like by his own way, maybe it doesn't hit the mind of audience. So there the failure of a copywriter. So he must have to keep in his mind that he or she must keep in mind that audience desire, audience needs, and audience emotions. By considering these three factors, he or she have to prepare a copy. This is the most thing of third one. And next one is be consistent. That we stick on a single thing. Do not be panic or do not be of shaking. We must be a consistent. We should consistent about the what the thing we are writing. This is the fourth one. And the next one is use call to action. So and the last and final thing is like let your personality shine through. Whatever the thing you are preparing, there must be a small part of like your personality must shine there. That's the thing of let your personality shine through. That whatever the thing we are creating, we must have to give our identity there. This is must for a copywriter. So what are the things we need to keep in our mind while preparing a copy or a copywriting is be consistent, be persuasive. First, most important thing is know your audience. And the next thing is let your personality shine through and must have hit on emotions, needs and desires of the customers or audience. So these are the guidelines we need to stick on our mind while having copywriting. If we are considering in the area of advertisement, let's take advertisement because this copywriting is mainly comes in advertising area. So in an advertising area, what's the role of a copywriter? That means definitely for creating an advertisement, there must be a creative team for creating an advertisement. In that creative team, there are three things we cannot avoid. These things are first one is copywriter, and the second one is art director, and the final one is a creative concept. On basis of this creative concept, we are preparing that advertisement. So on the basis of that concept, by knowing the channel, through which channel we are promoting that advertisement and through which audience, that means about the audience, what type of audience we are providing this advertisement, the copywriter prepares his copy. So on this considering all these factors, a copywriter starts his job. Actual copywriting is the process of expressing the value and benefits of a brand that has to offer. That means that have to offer something to the audience, that we have these things. And the most important thing that a copywriter how must to do is proofread. Whenever he or she is preparing his copy fully, he must have to be proofread. That means any changes, any mistakes or doubts, it's the duty of a copywriter to proofread all these things. So if it is coming into an advertising area, the proofreading is done by the ad team chief. Before coming into on air or before coming into the public, they have to check it. So copywriting is not a simple task, or it is not a very easy job. Actually, it's a creative work. Whenever we got a creative concept or anything, we have to create a content. Creating content is not an easy job. So this creative copywriters, we can see the copywriters in the employment area like public relation firms, advertising agencies, and in media marketing areas. All these are the areas where copywriters are seeking their jobs. So this is all about what copywriting is. I hope you guys have understand what's copywriting. Thank you. Have a nice day.